think you're doing that right. Oh, you get it hot and then maybe. You sure that shit ain't flammable? The rust penetration is not. I think a bigger hammer banging it on there would do that. And your little rinky dink ass Walmart air hammer. See, that ain't doing no banging. Mere amateur.
This is not
Rookie, man. It's all rusted out. That's your problem. You using that damn PV blaster. She got some Mopar.
Mopar ain't got shit.
Mopar rust penetration. That'll do it. Kids, don't try this at home. This dude is crazy. PV blaster. That's where he went wrong. You go down there and get him some rust penetration. Watch it fall right off. I hope we got a, what you call it, standing by? Yeah, a fire extinguisher. You reckless, man. Yeah, we can run through it if something happens. Please don't try this at home. You should bang on it with a hammer, man. Oh, was that supposed to happen? You don't know. Is it even going down? Is it going down slowly? 1 centimeter.
It ain't moved at all.
It ain't moved at all. And you don't think a big hammer whack right there would knock that through? The goal is for all this to come through, right?
I don't think I can hit it from this side.
No, I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know what the hammer.
Oh, all right. I'll be back in 10 minutes to check on you. All right, guys, he got it off. Here's the old one right here. You want to know the secret how he got it off? My advice. I told him to go get a big-ass hammer. Not only that, I told him to go get some of this. That's right. Yes, rust penetration from Mopar. This garbage right here, don't use this, guys. In fact, we're going to throw this away in the trash. Let me see how good I am. Y'all think I can make it? I missed it. All right, well, that's where it go. But anyway, grab your big-ass hammer next time. Put some heat to it and just bang on it. It'll come out. Mopar saved the day. Let's get it.